If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Welcome to the ZaranTech on data acquisition. In this video, we will be walking you through the key concepts and methods for acquiring data in Workday Prism Analytics. Disclaimer: in this video, we will cover the following topics related to data acquisition. Data acquisition, datasets and file uploads. File upload, CSV. Workday custom report. Naming convention. Schedule integration. Parsing external data. Replace versus append. Comparison between table and dataset. Create a table. Delete, edit a table. Let's start by talking about data acquisition. Data acquisition refers to the process of gathering, cleansing, and ingesting data from various sources into a central location for storage and analysis. In Workday Prism Analytics, we acquire data through methods like file uploads, connecting to Workday custom reports, and integrating external data sources. One way to acquire data is by uploading dataset files directly to the Workday Prism Analytics data catalog. This allows you to ingest data from things like spreadsheets or CSV files. When uploading CSV files as datasets, there are some key considerations. The maximum file size that can be uploaded as a dataset is 500 megabits. Best practice is to zip large files before uploading to data catalog. It is a manual process and cannot be automatically scheduled. This method is suitable when data in the file is not likely to change often. Each time file is uploaded, the data is replaced. There are also some limits when uploading multiple CSV files. The number of files must be less than 1,000. The time to transfer the data must be less than 6 hours. Each file from the server must be less than 1 gigabyte compressed or less than 10 gigabytes if uncompressed. Another method is to connect directly to Workday custom reports that have been enabled for Prism Analytics. This allows scheduled and automated ingestion of Workday report data. To use a custom report as a data source, the report must be configured as follows. Advanced report type. Enabled as a web service. Enabled for Prism Analytics. Shared with or owned by the user performing the import of the report data. It's important to follow naming conventions when importing Workday custom report data. Give datasets and fields clear, descriptive names to make them easily identifiable. Avoid spaces, special characters, and overly long names. When importing custom report data, Workday field types are mapped to Prism Analytics field types. For example, a Workday string large field becomes a text data type in Prism Analytics. Being aware of these mappings will help you understand how report data is structured in Prism Analytics. A key benefit of using Workday custom reports is the ability to schedule automatic data imports on a recurring basis. This ensures your Prism Analytics data stays up to date with the latest from Workday. For external data sources outside of Workday, Prism Analytics provides parsers to convert and structure the data upon import. Things like JSON, XML, AVRO files have available parsers to properly format the data. When initially importing data or on recurring imports, you have the option to replace or append rows. Replacing rows overwrites existing data, while appending adds new rows to the end. Choose appropriately based on your use case. Now let's compare some key characteristics of tables versus datasets. Tables allow you to join data from multiple sources, materialize data for faster performance, and provide more functionality like aggregations. Datasets, on the other hand, are read-only, don't allow joins across datasets, but provide direct access to source data. Some additional differences. Tables need to be refreshed to get latest data. Datasets always reflect source. Tables store data in Prism Analytics. Datasets link back to source. Tables can be mutated, add, update, delete rows. Datasets are immutable. In summary, tables give you more flexibility, while datasets provide direct source access. Choose what works best for your use case. Now let's go through the process of creating tables, which allow you to store and materialize data in Prism Analytics. There are two ways to create tables. File upload. Creating manually. File upload parses a delimited file to automatically detect schema. Manual creation allows you to define each column yourself. To elaborate further, create a table by file, upload schema on read. You can create a table by uploading one or more delimited files. Workday uses the field information in the first file to define the table fields, and then it loads the data in the files into the table. Create a table manually, schema on write. You can create a table by manually defining each field in the table schema. When you create a table manually, the table is empty. You can load data that is compatible with the table schema into the table. Once tables are created, you can also edit, truncate, or delete data. Edit data in a table. When you load a delimited file into a table, you must define how Workday parses the data. You define the parsing options on the Edit Parsing Options step. Truncate data in a table. You can remove all data in a table dataset by truncating the table. Truncating a table removes the data, but retains the schema. Delete data from a table. You can delete all rows from a table that came from a particular data load activity by selecting Actions, Table, Delete Rows. To delete all rows that were previously added in a particular load, select the Previous Loads option and click the load you want to delete. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.